Nollywood actress Eniola is celebrating her 42nd birthday today, January 21st, alongside her twin sister, filled with gratitude and joy. In a heartfelt Instagram post, she shared stunning photos to mark the occasion and expressed profound thanks to her creator for the priceless gift of life and the happiness she feels. Eniola also offered a prayer, asking God to shower her with blessings in the year ahead.
Happy birthday to my screen goddess. I pray the Lord cause his face to shine upon you in your new age. I love you. Mwah.
My name is Mercy. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. May God bless you always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. I'm Adeton from Eniola Ajao tribe. Love you.
Hi, Mama. My name is Favorinda Mola, and I share the same birthday day with you, Ma. I wish you long life and prosperity, many more years to celebrate on it, and I'm absolutely from the Eniola tribe.
Yeah, happy birthday, Auntie, and I love you so much from Eniola Ajao tribe. So,
happy birthday, Ma. I wish you long life and continuous prosperity. I love you.
Happy birthday, Sister Eni. Long life and prosperity. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Wish you long life and prosperity, age with abundant grace. My name is Adironke from Eniola Ajao tribe.
Hi, birthday to you, Mama. My name is Eniola Kazim from Eniola Ajao tribes. Wish you long life and prosperity, more Canada to destroy.
Hey to my superwoman. God bless your new age. Welcome to your best day yet. My name is Eniola from Eniola Ajao.
Happy birthday, Mommy Eniola Ajao. I wish you long life and prosperity.
Happy birthday, Mama. Long life and prosperity. I'm Daisy Bite from the Eniola Ajao tribe.
Happy birthday to you, Mama. Long life and prosperity. We wish you a blessed birthday from all of us in your tribe. We love you so much, Mama.
My name is Babsin from Eniola Ajao's tribe, and yes to us wishing Mama a happy birthday. We love you.
Auntie, happy birthday to you. Wishing you long life and prosperity, many more beautiful years ahead.